Okay, today I'm going to be showing you the Jason Voorhees hockey mask, okay? I got this at Spirit Halloween for $7. It's pretty lightweight. It's got, instead of just one strap in the back, it's got this and this. And it's got little holes in there and bumps you can see on the inside. See the inside of it. And you could probably see it got a little patch right there. Some masks have it on both sides, but this doesn't. And it has the little holes in the front so you can breathe. And it has it on the nose. It has little blood stains. It's the size of dough, but it makes it look kind of big, but this is what it looks like on somebody. And so you could get this. This is foam actually. See, you might see little lines on there. It looks like foam. It's lightweight, so it's bendable. You know, it's not hard shell. You can hear it. It sounds foamy. It's pretty good. And so here's the Jason Voorhees mask. Just go Spirit Halloween, buy it, and have lots of fun with it.